So back into another week. Let's have a catch up. We've just had bank holiday weekend, which was pretty breezy. And unfortunately, the guys masked up to spray all the framework around the building and the breeze has torn it all off. So unfortunately, they'll have to do that again. Nice big scissor lift, but it's quite windy. So let's head inside and see what the progress is. As we come into reception, biggest change really is all the glue has come off the spiral staircase. That wasn't a bad job in the end. We found a really nice chemical, took that straight off. Bit of progress in here. Bathrooms completely plastered, so hopefully you can see that. There's no lights in there, but all beautifully rendered, ready to decorate, get some flooring in, and we'll get some progress in here. In the last few videos, when we came through here, it was quite dark. We've removed, although you can't see it now because of the masking, we've removed all the sort of vinyl that was stuck to the windows. I think that was like a thing a couple of years ago. We'll probably put like a security tint or something, but we just want that natural light in. So that's a big change. Ceiling. So ceiling's been done. We got our 6 massive LED light panels going in, which will illuminate the cutting table. That wall has also been replastered. That was an extra. Funnily enough, during the morning to midday light that came through, the wall was just awful, so can't live with that, so we have to redo it. Ceiling is pretty much, we've got the stuff now, but we'll start to look at that this week. Bits of our new cutting table scattered around, you'll see more of that upstairs. Today the electrician is in, so the very dodgy wiring which we inherited is getting all sorted, so we'll start again. There's no point risking these things. So come up here, we've now got the base of the cutting table. So this is all beginning to be sort of brought upstairs and it will get lined up. We've got the 3-phase being brought in today, ready for it, but this will get installed over the next coming days. The glass wall, the glass is in. It's not finished, we had to get it in so that we could build the stud wall and get that plastered. But yeah, the beginnings of it are in, so we can really start to see the light going through. It's so much better than what was there. Cutting room there is pretty much the same, it's reasonably untouched. It's just, you can see the plastic blowing around and flying. That's pretty much it. We can go into the office. And the wall is now beautifully plastered as well. Guys did an awesome job. Quite hard for them because when they're doing their skims, the light that was beaming through here was drying this section quicker than that. So I'm not a plasterer, so I was unaware of these things. So they've done a really good job at making it look really smart. So we've just got a little bit left to do there. Just take up that last bit of glue, but that won't take long. It's only sort of 20 minutes. And then back down here, back into reception. And that's it. So busy week ahead. All the trades are going to be in. Plumbing for the bathrooms, electrician, table should be operational by the end of the week as well. So yeah, I think there's quite a bit to do. So catch up with the next one. Follow us on our socials and we'll see you then.